Thanks for coming back to the Maine Machinist channel. This is Jeremy here at Hiltz Machine Works, and I'm working on the homestead today. There's a storm coming in, as usual here in wintertime in Maine. But I want to talk to you today about Farmall transmissions, and specifically on a Cub, but this can apply to other tractors as well. And every once in a while, my Cub will get stuck in between gears, and I won't be able to shift. It'll be basically stuck in reverse. And no matter what gear I shift in, it either stalls the tractor or it'll go in reverse. And I just want to show you a quick fix. This is easy to solve, and it could help you if you get in that situation. You're stuck out in the field somewhere or in the woods. So I've taken all but two of the bolts off here, just for time's sake. And you're going to want to pull the shifter off and look underneath here when you're stuck in between gears. And I'll show you what happens. On the bottom of your shifter, you see that little ball there? That fits in between these right here. And this is what allows you to move these, to slide, to select your gears. And what you'll find is, if you're stuck in between gears, this is probably something what it will look like if you're stuck between gears, depending on how you're stuck. This is pushed up and it's in the reverse position, and this is down in the third gear position. And what it does is it'll lock your transmission up because it's trying to engage two at the same time, or it's bound up in some way. So what I have done in the past when this has happened to me, and it usually happens maybe once a year or once every other year, especially if I'm working the tractor hard. And there's reasons for this that I haven't been able to fix yet. Without getting into, long story short, I won't get into that on this video. But what I do is I'll slide these to kind of the neutral position. Now be careful, because you want to break anything in here. But see how I was able to slide that? If it's stuck, sometimes it's hard to move it, to get it out of that disengage from reverse or whatever you've got going on in here. It might be locked up in one of these positions. But manually use a screwdriver or another tool. Gently, but I say gently but firmly, put pressure on there. But you don't want to be putting pressure up on somewhere where you could break something or crack something. Be firm. Move it back into a neutral position. And then you want to come back, put your cover back on. Now, what I do is just put a few of the bolts in. I'm going to put 2 in right now. With 2 bolts in, I can feel it just engaging. You can see the shift plates moving, but I can feel it now going through the gears. And before, you could feel that the shifter was bound up. So, if you got that, you could put another one in, start the tractor, just move a little bit to make sure that it's going to work, then put all your bolts back in, and you're good. And maybe I'll do another video, a longer, more detailed video about why this happens and how you can repair this problem in the future. Thank you for watching. Hope this helps you get out of a bind if you're in the field or out in the woods. Please like these videos, share them with your friends. I appreciate every single viewer.